expensive, okay. Demons of the Benzies, okay. Diamond tennis necklace, okay.
Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhnel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you can see from the title, we're gonna be doing a fashion nova / Pretty Little Thing haul. So stay tuned, watch all through this video, and we gonna get lit. Comment below your favorite outfit, and yeah, enjoy. This is the first fit, y'all. Like, this is one of my favorite dress, you know, because I kind of like the nudish type color things nowadays. So it's very see-through, as you can see right here. You can see my belly piercing, you can see everything. So I would suggest you wear this with like a nipple cover or a bra that matches this color. So yeah, I just pair it with this clear bag. This is my own personal bag, so I didn't get this from Fashion Nova or Shein. I mean, Pretty Little Thing. So you know, this is the outfit. I would pair this with a nude shoes. I actually have a nude shoes, a new heels to go with it. So yeah, we getting into the nude. So you can see the length. It's very compressed, so it will show everything around here, and that's what I like because your girl got shade. But yeah, and I paired with this silver gold chain. I'm very tired, y'all, so bear with me. I paired with this gold chain and my gold MK watch, and everything is just like put together. The hair goes with everything, you know, giving me a little dinner vibe, giving me a little bougie vibe. Like, yeah, let's get into it for a moment. Beyonce type vibe. Y'all, I'm feeling myself because I was supposed to get dressed to go out, but boy, something happened. Let's get into it for a moment. Okay, let's get on to the next outfit. Next outfit is a tube top dress, a bodycon dress. It's very compressed. You can see the shape, everything. It's very, I love the color. As I said, I'm starting to love nude colors and brown colors. It's just giving me like a soothing vibe. And yeah, I really love this one. This one is from Fashion Nova. I just paired it with this because, you know, gold goes with everything. Gold goes with brown, nude, you know. I mean, the hair goes with everything, like, period. But this is in a size large, and yeah, I think that's all for this one. But it also comes with, what do you call this cardigan type thing, so you could wear it if you're cold, or you know, if you just want to wear it. I don't personally have to wear it with this, but it's a look either way. So yeah, this is the whole look. You know, it's very classy, giving me, you know, chill vibe. Like, this can be worn in the summer, this can be worn in the fall, this can be worn any season, honey. Like summer, winter, like whatever, which one you want. But this is the look, and it's giving me baddie vibes, chill vibes, you know. So enough on this one. Everything will be linked in the description below, so you can go check them out. So let's get into the next outfit. So y'all, this jacket is from Fashion Nova. It's in the size large, and y'all, I just paired with this black bodysuit from Fashion Nova in the size large as well, and I think it's a good match. It's a good look. You know, everything goes with this here, as I said before, and I just paired it with these ones. Paired with these ones. You know how your girl coming. So this look, I love this look. Like, I would wear this, if I'm going out somewhere fancy, somewhere with a little chill vibe, But let's get into it for a moment. So let's get right into the next outfit. Y'all, so this is one of my favorite. I love how earthy the color is. Like, it's a combination of yellow, white, green. I just love the earthy colors. It's giving me dinner vibes. I would wear this personally with a white boots to up here, and yeah, probably a white bag, or probably this bag. I just put this bag on, but it goes with it because the necklace is gold, so yellow, gold, yeah. But I got this in the size large. I got this in the size large, and this is from Fashion Nova. This is the last outfit that I have for today, and this is my favorite too. So, take a nice little picture. You on the beach, you on vacation, giving me tourist vibe. It compresses the stomach, so ladies, if you have a flat stomach, it hides it. So I love this. Bye y'all, this is the end of this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe.